It's something as simple as intercooler hoses and hose clamps that can often go unnoticed, but cause huge problems if they fail. Stock units can't handle increased boost levels and can dry rot over time. Upgrading to the XDP hose and clamp kit for your Cummins and Powerstroke will not only keep your truck running strong now, but give it the reliability you can count on. The XDP hose clamp kits are made to last. Made with better than stock silicone hoses, XDP kits are more resistant to high temperatures, elevated boost levels, and oil contamination. Included with every kit are the constant tension T-bolt clamps. These clamps boast superior holding to stock clamps and can stand up to the pressure and the test of time. So don't replace your OEM hoses and clamps with something that's just gonna fail again. Upgrade to the XDP hose and clamp kit for your truck. Visit XDP.com or contact your local dealer to get a set of your own.